TV for kids.
Hey, 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 come join the crew. We are learning what animals eat and do. From trunks that swing to tails that wag. Let's meet up friends and pack your bag.
Hooey!
Hello, hello, I'm Sammy the Shark. I swim in oceans deep and dark. With shiny teeth and a speedy tail, I zoom and splash without fail.
Oh, can you swish your tail like me?
Boy,
Swish, swish, swish!
Oh, I've got fins to help me glide. I chase small fish side to side. I'm strong, I'm fast, I never stop. I twist and turn, then I hop, plop. Do, let's swim like sharks. Some think I'm scary, not at all. I'm just big and brave, that's all. I smile wide, my teeth shine bright. I love to swim from day to night. Show me your biggest shark smile. Boom! So if you see me in the sea, just wave hello and swim with me. I'm Sammy the Shark, so cool and free. Let's splash and laugh with glee. Whee! Whee! We met a friend and learned a lot, like what they eat and what they've got. We heard their sounds and saw their walk. Some love to jump and some just squawk. We clapped, we danced, we moved around and learned new things with every sound. The fun's not over, come and say we'll meet more friends another day. So don't forget, come back and see more happy fun on Happy TV.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.